Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So before we get started, make sure to check the video description. I have added the deal link for WP301 redirects and any updated information or bonus that may comes later. So always check the description if you need more details. Okay, let's talk about 404 errors. You know those pages that say page not found? Yeah, those are called 404 errors and they are not good for your website. Visitors can get confused and even Google does not like it. But the good news is you can fix that easily using a simple tool called WP301 redirects. This plugin helps you to redirect broken links or deleted pages to the correct ones. So if someone visits an old link or a wrong link, instead of showing errors, it will take them to a real working page that you choose. That way your visitors don't leave your site and your SEO stays strong too. Now why is this plugin special? Because it's easy to use even if you are not a tech person. You don't need to write code. Just install it on your WordPress site and it starts helping right away. You can redirect manually or let the plugin suggest a smart redirect for you. And it even shows you which URL are getting errors so you know what to fix. And right now they have a lifetime deal, which means you pay once time and you will access it forever. That's really good because website errors can happen anytime and it's better to be safe for long term. Also it helps with changing your site's structure. For example, if you change your blog post URLs, you can redirect the old one to new ones without losing traffic. Anyway, if you are serious about keeping your website clean, fast and user-friendly, WP301 redirects is a tool that can worth to taking you. So the link is in the description below. For lifetime access, you can check that out. And thanks for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up if you found this video helpful and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more useful tools and offers. And I will see you in the next video.